Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another video. Just wanted to quickly show you guys a quick workaround that I'm seeing that some people are talking about Modern Warfare, which just came out yesterday. It's been crashing on your computer. Just wanted to share a quick help guide that Activision did post. So I wanted to go over a couple different ways of how to hopefully resolve it. So the first thing they suggest is actually to go ahead and update the graphics card drivers. So in order to do that, just open up your start menu, type in Device Manager. Best match should come back with Device Manager, so go ahead and just left click on that to open it up. Expand the display adapter section, so just double click on that. And then move over to display adapter, so center here, just right click on it and select update driver. Select search automatically for updated driver software. If it doesn't find anything, you just go online and search up the display driver and then get it directly from the manufacturer of the driver, so you can try that as well. And you can also try searching Windows Update for it as well. Another thing you try would be attempting to run battle.net in admin mode, as well as making sure it's up to date, so just check for updates, so run that option, as well as running the scan and repair games through the battle.net's repair tool. So you can also turn off optimization programs like GeForce, so if you're using NVIDIA, like the GeForce Experience, if you try turning that off. And if you have an antivirus application, setting up exceptions for it, so through the processes, if you want to open up your antivirus, which will be different for everybody, but if you're not sure how to do it for your particular antivirus, just go online and just type in how do you set up an exception. And you can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the game as well. There are links to Twitter assistance as well as Facebook assistance and live chat support, which I will have this link in the description of the video. So I do hope that this video was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.